Kamusta mga balibulista? Panalo ang Litran Knights kontra sa GRU Heavy Bombers 25-20, 25-19, 25-19. Tinalo naman ng Arellano Chiefs ang San Beda Red Lions 18-25, 26-24, 27-25, 15-11. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, nakuha ng Litran Lady Knights ang 4 winning streak matapos patawbin ng GRU Lady Bombers 25-16, 25-19, 25-19. Best player of the game si Jodel Nitora matapos nagtala ng 16 points mula sa 16 attacks at may kasamang 4 excellent digs. Pinataob naman ng Arellano Lady Chiefs ang San Beda Lady Red Spikers 25-19, 25-19, 25-18. Best player of the game si Donna Paraliha sa likod ng kanyang 5 points mula sa 2 attacks at 3 aces. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of April 19, 2024. Perpetual Altas 3 wins 0 loss. AEC Generals 3 wins 0 loss. San Beda Red Spikers 3 wins 1 loss. Arellano Chiefs 3 wins 1 loss. San Sebastian Stags 3 wins 1 loss. Litran Knights 2 wins 2 losses. Benilde Blazers 1 win 3 losses. Mapua Cardinals 0 win 3 losses. Lyceum Pirates 0 win 3 losses. GRU Heavy Bombers 0 win 4 losses. Heto naman ang team standings ng Women's Division as of April 19, 2024. Benilde Lady Blazers 4 wins 0 loss. Litran Lady Knights 4 wins 0 loss. Lyceum Lady Pirates 3 wins 0 loss. Perpetual Lady Altas 2 wins 1 loss. Arellano Lady Chiefs 2 wins 2 losses. Mapua Lady Cardinals 1 win 2 losses. GRU Lady Bombers 1 win 3 losses. San Beda Lady Red Spikers 1 win 3 losses. AEC Lady Generals 0 win 3 losses. San Sebastian Lady Stags 0 win 4 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.